What is going on, everyone? It is Joe Yoon, aka Joetherapy, and in this video we are going to work on if you have golfer's elbow, how do you fix it? And I'm going to show you a 3-step process to help alleviate your pain for golfer's elbow. So stay tuned. All right, so you got a little bit of golfer's elbow, some discomfort on the inner portion of the elbow. I'm going to show you a 3-step process to help alleviate some of that pain and hopefully fix it in the long run. Because everyone's different, make sure you check out a medical professional near you to make sure you're cleared to do this stuff, because everyone's different, everyone's body is different. So make sure you get cleared, but if you are, let's get it started. First thing we're going to do is a self-massage. So usually the flexor muscles, the forearm muscles on this side of the forearm might get overworked, might get a little tight, it might be tugging on the inner portion of the elbow. So what we want to do is just do a little bit of massage right on these flexors. So we're going to start off with using the base, and what I like to do is just place the flexors or the forearm muscles right on top, use my other hand to put some pressure down, then I like to flex and extend the wrist. This is shortening the muscle and lengthening it, so we make it a little bit more active. We can move spots just like that. I like to do about 30 seconds here. Shouldn't be too painful, but you want to make it feel like you're getting some pressure in there as well. So that's one way you can loosen up the forearm muscles. I also like to just use my thumb, so I'll actually grab a little bit of massage lotion, put a little bit on my thumb here, and then just massage the forearm muscles. And I like to just go up and down, nice and easy. And this is really easy to access. It's not like trying to massage your own back or shoulders. This one is easy because your arms are right in front of you. And then make sure you're working through this whole area too. In about 30 seconds here, it's going to be good. Loosen up those forearm muscles, feels awesome already. And now let's get into the second step. Step number 2, we are going to hit up a little bit of a flexor stretch, a forearm stretch. We did the self-massage, now we're going to go into stretching out the forearm a little bit more. Nice and easy forearm stretch here. Palm up, take your other hand, pull these fingers down, and then slowly pull the fingers towards you. Now we're getting a great stretch on the forearm muscles right here, lengthening those bad boys. And we can hold this for about 30 seconds or so. If you feel discomfort or maybe it's just too much of a stretch, after 10 seconds, kind of like wiggle it out a little bit and then come on back. But let's work through that. It shouldn't be too uncomfortable. You should just feel a nice little gentle stretch here. Make sure you're breathing, don't hold your breath. And that feels pretty good as well. But now we must go to step number 3 to make everything we got to put it together. We got to make sure that this will last long and this relief will last long. So let's go to step 3. Step number 3, probably one of the more important steps is, actually all the steps are important, but the third step is going to be important for longevity here. The massage and the stretch might help you feel good in the short term, but if you want to make this a long-term fix, we're going to have to strengthen the flexors as well. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways to strengthen the forearms. I think they're 2 of my favorite, more effective ways. So we are going to grab a dumbbell and we're going to place our wrist off the end of a table. And you probably can guess it here, we're going to do some wrist curls. So we're going to let that dumbbell drop down and extend the wrist. And then from here, we're going to curl up, just like that. Now we're working on strengthening the flexor muscles here. When we come up, now they're contracted, and we want to build up some strength here. About 10 reps, we can do about 3 sets. Shouldn't be too difficult, but it also shouldn't be too hard. We want to make it so maybe we have like 2, 3, 4 reps left in the tank when we finish up our set. So I have a 5-pounder. Maybe you're a little stronger than I am. You can do 10 pounds at home, but find what works best for you because everyone is different. And then now we're going to work on the rotation part. So you can use a dumbbell, but I always found that using something that's more stick-like, like a dowel or golf club, something like that, is going to be more beneficial or a little bit easier. And I like to grab it so the stick is vertical, and now I'm going to drop it towards the inside here, just like that. Slowly bring it this way, rotate, and now we're going to bring that stick back to vertical. Again, same thing applies here. We want to shoot for about 10 reps. We don't want to make it too hard, but not too easy. But it still should be challenging for you. So if this is too hard, you bring the stick and grab a little bit closer to the middle, a little bit easier. And then if we need to make it a little bit more difficult, we go towards the end, just like that, and then go back to vertical. And that is it. That's the 3-step process: the self-massage, the stretching, and then a little bit of the strengthening to help build up the strength in the forearm muscles. And that is it. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Comment down below. Let me know what you want to see in the future. And that's it. So hopefully that helped fix your golfer's elbow.